Good morning, class 9. Let's start today's class. So, we were discussing in the previous class about the skin derivatives. After completing skin derivatives, now we need to understand about the heat regulation in our body. How skin plays a vital role in regulating the heat. That we are going to discuss today in this video. Skin and heat regulation of body. Now first we'll try to understand about the warm-blooded animals and cold-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals, they usually are unable to change their body temperature with the change in the temperature of the environment. Okay, such type of animals are usually called warm-blooded animals. Okay, nowadays they are also called as homeothermal. Okay, because body temperature almost remains the same as that of the temperature of the environment, or it is also they are also called as endothermal. The basic examples are mammals and birds. And cold-blooded, okay, they change. Their body temperature changes with the change in the environment, temperature of the environment. Okay, so such type of animals are usually called as poikilothermal. Okay, or they are often referred to as ectothermal. And the basic examples are reptiles, then again amphibians, pisces, okay, that is fish, frog, okay, snake. They all can change their body temperature, or their body temperature usually remains different, okay, as compared to the temperature of the environment. Cold-blooded. Then again, now we need to see there are a few points which I have selected from the book. Like as we all know that the normal body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius. Then there are some part of the body where the body temperature remains higher, like as it is mentioned in the book also in the rectum. Rectum, that is end part of the before anus, the end part of the alimentary canal, where the under the food particle remains stored temporarily. So that is there. And again, 1 degree lower in armpits here. Then, so it has been noted that our body temperature keeps on fluctuating. Okay, they may vary, like particularly during the morning. Okay, in the morning time, the body temperature is usually lower. Okay, and in the afternoon time, it is higher. Okay, it fluctuates from the temperature that is 0.3 degrees Celsius to 0.5 degrees Celsius. Then again, see, still one more point is there, that is the rise and fall in temperature. Okay, that is if the body temperature goes very high, okay, you are said to be suffering from fever. And then again, if it goes very low, in both the cases it is very dangerous, because the enzymes which is responsible for digesting our food will not be able to digest the food, as we must understand that enzymes require the specific temperature, that is the body temperature, ranging from 35 to 40 degrees Celsius for its activity. Okay, so that is why we are often suggested, like when we suffer from fever, not to take heavy diet. Okay, because that time the enzymes unable to digest the food. So this is there. Then after that comes next, heat production. Now question arises in how many different ways the heat is produced in our body. Okay, now the first point which we can include here is that in most of the cells, wherever the respiration usually occurs, okay, their heat is produced by the oxidation of glucose. But here we need to understand that most of the heat is produced in the liver cells by the oxidation of glucose, okay, in large amount. Then again next, heat is also produced in the body by the activity of muscles. Whenever we do exercise, heavy exercise or physical work and all, so that time what happens is that our body gets heated up, we start sweating. Okay, so heat is produced by the activity of muscles. And then heat is also produced when we ingest, when we take some warm food or warm drink. Okay, like when you drink the hot coffee or hot tea or hot food. Okay, that time to some extent the body temperature rises. Okay, so so this is about how heat is produced in the body. Now next is heat lost. In how many different ways we lose the heat. Okay, heat is mostly lost through the skin. About 85% of the body heat is lost through skin by the process of conduction, convection, and then comes radiation. In all the three modes of transfer of heat, it is lost. And then heat is also lost during breathing process by the lungs. Okay, the air which we exhale, carbon dioxide and all, okay, water vapor, okay, this air takes away our body heat to some extent. Then again, after that, heat is also lost, like lost along with the urine and feces which we excrete. And then heat is also lost when we consume, okay, cold food and cold drinks. Okay, so this is just now we learned uh, about the warm-blooded, cold-blooded animals. Then again, about a few facts about the body temperature, and then how heat is produced in our body and how heat is lost. Okay, now in the next video we'll be learning about the regulation of body temperature, how our body temperature is regulated. Okay, in this video this much. Thank you.